It is indeed spring. Spring is upon us, you can see. Look at this grapefruit tree. Look at how much flowers it has. Look at that. I hope that my bees will get into it and do a good job in pollinating all these. I mean, this past year, we only had about, 4 or 5 grapefruits from this tree. So may this year be more productive and more fruitful in terms of grapefruit. But as you can see, look at that, it's flowering. Now, this is not welcome here. Look what I found. It's good that I took time to marvel at this. Now I know what's going on here. It definitely are aphids here. I'll have to come in here with my spray. Look at that. Oh la la. Yeah. Oh la la. I need to come in with my spray and spray. But otherwise, yeah, what attracted me was the amount of flowers that are coming out here. This one, it's a lemon tree. It has not produced even a single lemon. I even stopped watering it because I feel like it's just a waste of my time. Oh, look at that. While I'm still bashing it and speaking bad of it. That's a flower there. That's a flower there. Whoa. Probably this year we might have some lemons. Whew. Yeah, it's been quite a long time of watering. And this one came from seed, by the way. Well, I think it's also getting aphids. This activity here does not give confidence. Where? Somewhere here. Okay, keep the coin for you, Baba. Yeah, I need to go make my natural organic spray and spray. Look at the blueberry bush. It's also flowering. It's just flowers and flowers. Don't you like spring? I love spring. The orange tree is also flowering, and this orange tree actually gave us a lot of oranges this year. And it is younger than this one. This is the oldest tree I have in this yard. This orange tree gave us plenty. And look at how beautiful it's flowering as well. I had a tomato plant that was climbing up on it and I had to take it out. Hopefully we will get a lot of oranges again next year, because these flowers will only be able to harvest them next year. And then it's the lime tree. The lime tree also did give us a few limes, not a lot. And here's a bee doing its job. Don't you love it? I love it when I see this. I love it. I hope it came from my box there of bees, or even if it did not come from there, it's still doing a good job and it is appreciated. I'm loving it. They are just flowering and going crazy like that, and hopefully these bees will come and buzz and do their thing. Here's a lime. This lime is from what was left when we harvested. Yeah, this is looking good and I love it. I love it. I'll keep you guys updated and we'll see how or what we get. It's just one citrus tree or within the citrus family that disappointed me. It's this lemon tree here. But I'm looking at it now and I'm realizing that it's flowering quite a lot. So hopefully next year we'll have a lot of lemons. This tree has very nice lemons, sweet lemons. It has very sweet lemons, but we did not get much this year from last year. So I don't know. We'll see. I think there's like 2 or 3 left there of whatever we got, but we did not get really that much. So we will see, but it seems to be flowering nicely this year. So yeah, my fingers are crossed. And
Daddy,
yes, Mdeni.
if we get enough money, we can sell lemonade and have so much money.
Okay, Baba. And then it's the avo tree. You can see the baby avos there. This tree always gives us plenty avos. I mean, I end up sharing them with the neighbors within the community. Look at that. Look at that. And they're very delicious. So this is good. This is good. That's what I love with spring. Spring is just, you know, look at that. This is crazy. And quite a lot of these will actually fall off as well. Some of them, and some of them will be eaten by the monkeys.
Daddy,
And the tomarillo is firing up. You know, tomarillo is firing up. This tree.
And the tomarillo tree is reaching the avocado tree.
Yes, this tree can go crazy.
And the branches are
We had so much tomarillos, we ended up turning some into jam. You know. And then this is another citrus tree here. This one has a long history that I detailed on another video. Because when we bought the house, it was unproductive. It wasn't producing at all. Until I had to prune it up to this level here. Almost all the branches, I pruned them up to this level. And then it produced these shoots. These are new shoots. And after that, it was just flowers, as you can see. And there's a bee there. There is a bee there. It was just flowers, 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 flowers. You know, it was just flowers. And I'm loving it. And it has, there's quite a few bees here, busy pollinating. It has those tiny, tiny little oranges up there. That's what's left from what we had this year. And they are a little bit sour. They're not sweet, quite sour. And they're not as orange inside, but they're kind of like whitish inside. You'd swear it's lemon, but it is an orange. Yeah, there seem to be quite a lot of bees here, and there's a ladybird. There. There's a ladybird without spots. This is beautiful.
Where is the ladybird?
This is what I love marveling at. Here on this garden. It flew, Baba, it flew. It was just there, just now. And this is a nachi tree. Quite a young tree. It hasn't produced yet, but you can see also it is flowering. It is flowering, and there seem to be some nachis coming up.
Guys,
So,
nachis are smaller oranges.
yes. So, yeah, hopefully we'll get some. Maybe this year, not this year, I mean next year, because these flowers will only, or these fruits, if they survive, we'll only get them about next year. So nachi tree is doing great. I'm loving the flowering. Yes, the ladybird. It now flew to the mango tree. It flew to the mango tree. Oh man. Yeah, so is the mango tree.
The mango tree is growing.
This mango tree, it's from seed.
It's growing up slowly.
I propagated a seed. I planted a seed, and it is as old as that grapefruit tree that I started with. And it hasn't produced yet.
Same
Last
with those
year,
ones.
it flowered like this, but it did not produce. So this year we will see what will happen. Maybe it will produce, maybe it won't. I don't know. But that's a spring update, guys.
Daddy,
Yes, Mden.
it grows slowly and nicely, like the orange tree.
Yeah, that's the spring update. And you know what also I don't like with spring or summer is this. As you can see, Eric is watering now here because all my spinach looks dead because, yeah, of a busy schedule and no time to water sometimes, and spinach is almost devastated. Anyway, let's not go on to bad news. Let's keep it with the good news. Me loving the flowering stuff. Hopefully the
I love flowers.
granatilla or passion fruit will also start flowering soon and give us some passion fruits.
I love them.